Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. So as we are doing revision, children, the objective of the class is today we will do revision on the chapter patterns. Okay, so everyone take out your maths copy and do along with me. Let's start. So children, pattern. Do you remember what is pattern? Repetition of basic shapes is called a pattern. The basic shapes which is repeated again and again or alternatively, children, that is what it forms a pattern. Okay. Here in this example, children, what is the basic shape in the pattern formed? Now you can see here that this is a pattern, right? What is a pattern, children? This is of triangular shape. All are of triangular shape, isn't it? Now, if I ask you, what is the basic shape? What is the basic shape in this? What will you say? Which shape is repeating, children? You can see triangle is repeated, isn't it? That means triangle is the basic shape. Repetition of basic shapes is called a pattern. Now this basic shape, that is one triangle, children, this is repeated, isn't it? And this forms a pattern. So now what is the answer of this question, children? What is the basic shape in the pattern formed? What is the basic shape? Triangle. The answer is triangle. Okay? Clear? Basic shape is what, children? The repetition of basic shape forms a pattern. You can see the basic shape triangle. Triangle is a basic shape and it is repeated and it forms a pattern. Okay. So the answer is the basic shape is triangle. Let's do the next one. The next question, children. What is the basic shape in the following pattern? Now you can see this pattern and all are in different direction. Shape is same, children. Shape is same, but it is in different directions, isn't it? So can you identify the basic shape in this pattern? Basic shape is what? Repetition of basic shape is called a pattern. The shape which is repeated again and again, children, that shape is your basic shape. Now you can see this is arrow. All are arrow, isn't it? But this is towards the right side. This is downwards. This is towards the right. This is downwards, children. This is towards the left. This is upwards. Now, this arrow is covered in all the direction, isn't it? Right, then downwards, left and upwards. Is there any more direction left to cover, children? No. So, we'll start again with right. That is, this is the basic shape. Clear? Mostly children gets confused in this, children, when all the shapes are same, but when it is in the different direction, then you get confused to which is the basic shape, whether this one or this one. So I would like to tell you that when this type of question comes, you have to observe that this has covered all the directions, like it has covered right direction, right side, left side, downwards, upwards. There are 4 directions, isn't it? And all the 4 directions are covered. Then we will restart from 1 again. So our basic shape will start from 1 again. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. All the directions are covered, children. Then we'll start again from right. That is, the basic shape in this pattern is the arrow towards right side. Clear? You need not get confused when this type of question comes. You can do this in your copy, children. So let's start with our third question, children. What is the next shape in the given pattern? We have to observe this pattern, children, and we have to find the next shape to complete this pattern. Okay, what is the next shape in the given pattern? In this pattern, children, what will come in this blank? So how we will come to know, children? We have to observe the pattern. You can see this shape has 6 sides, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is your hexagon. So children, this 6 side figure is this is horizontal, this is vertical. Horizontal, vertical. This shape is repeated once as horizontal, then vertical. Horizontal, vertical. Then what will come after vertical, children? It is alternatively repeated, isn't it? Vertical, horizontal, vertical, this horizontal, vertical. Then before vertical is what, children? Horizontal. So what shape will come here? Your horizontal hexagon. Okay? Clear? This is how we observe the pattern and find out the next shape to complete the pattern. Clear? It's very easy to do, children. You can do this in your copy. Let's do the next one. So let's start with our next 3B. So in this, children, what is the next shape in the given pattern? Again, we have to observe the pattern and we have to find out the next shape. What should come in this blank? Okay. For this, children, how can we find out? We have to observe the basic shape which is repeated. Okay. So first shape is what? 3 sides are there, isn't it? So it is your triangle. Square, triangle, square. So which basic shapes are repeated here, children? Triangle and square, isn't it? So before it ends in, children, square. Before square, what is there? Before square is a triangle. So what will come here? Triangle. Clear? So you can note down this in your copy, children. We'll end the class here, children. So we have started the revision of pattern chapter. So you can do the examples which we have done today, the questions which we have discussed today. You can do it in your copy, and if you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you so much.